Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The Federal Trade Commission has officially dropped its case against Microsoft over its massive Activision Blizzard acquisition. For the past 3 years, the FTC's efforts to block this deal have been a constant presence in the gaming industry. But it seems like that chapter is finally coming to an end. As we all know, Microsoft first announced its plans to acquire Activision Blizzard King back in 2022. And by the end of that year, the FTC had already filed a lawsuit against Microsoft, essentially putting the brakes on this historic acquisition. The long and winding road to approval was filled with twists and turns, from court hearings to appeals, but now it's clear that the FTC has lost its last chance to block the deal. In January 2025, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals denied the FTC's application for a preliminary injunction, effectively paving the way for Microsoft to move forward with its acquisition. But instead of moving on, the FTC decided to take one final step, filing a motion to dismiss the case. And that's exactly what they've done. So why did the FTC decide to drop its fight? The answer lies in the words of the court itself. The Commission has determined that the public interest is best served by dismissing the administrative litigation in this case. In other words, the FTC feels that continuing to pursue this case would be a waste of time and resources. Microsoft Sphere has been following this story closely, and we can only imagine how relieved the company must feel. With this ruling, Microsoft can finally move on from the constant scrutiny and focus on bringing its vision for Activision Blizzard King to life. And that's exactly what they're going to do, with a renewed commitment to delivering games and experiences that players across the country will love. Brad Smith, Vice Chair and President of Microsoft, was quick to celebrate this victory, saying, "Today's decision is a victory for players across the country and for common sense in Washington, D.C., and we couldn't agree more. It's a win-win for everyone involved, from gamers who get to enjoy a wide range of amazing games to the company that gets to bring its unique vision to life." So as we close this chapter on the FTC's case against Microsoft, we can only look forward to what's next for Activision Blizzard King. With this acquisition, Microsoft Sphere is excited to see where the future takes us, and we'll be here every step of the way, bringing you all the latest news and updates from the gaming world. The final nail in the coffin has been hammered home, and it's time for Microsoft to put its best foot forward. Bring on the next chapter.